Hello, in this video we are going to see how to merge column in Pandas Dataframe and Python. All the reference to the libraries and code snippets that are used in this video are provided in the description of this video. Let's see how to perform this. So we use kandi to find our code. Go to kandi.openvivo.com. In our case, we need to search Pandas Dataframe join. We can see multiple code snippet recommendations here. We'll pick the first one, which uses this Pandas library. But before going ahead, please ensure that you have this library installed. If not, get it from kandi. You can directly copy this installation script from here. Now, I'm going to copy the code from here in a single click, then pasting it into my IDE. Remove the sprint. Now let's take a look at the code. We need to import this Pandas library, and then we have two different data frames, left and right, which has 5 rows and 3 columns along with their values. And then this part of the code performs this merge operation with two different data frames, left and right. And this on parameter decides on which column we need to perform the merge operation, where we were doing that based on the ID column. Now I'm going to run this code. Here is our output, which has performed the merge operation with the corresponding values from each data frame, then combined into a single row. Here, the X and Y suffixes are added to the column names in both the data frames to differentiate them in the merged data frame. Thank you.